Now I'm going to talk about the current needs on the solar panel. There are two needs. The first need is the solar panel is not always pointed to the sun with optimal angle, which will decrease the efficiency of the energy generation from the panels. The second need is the high expenses on manpower costs, which refer to expensive labor costs due to lack of real-time monitoring system.
To meet the aforementioned requirements, we use two servo motors and light sensors, with the light sensors detecting the direction of the light source and the servo motor moving the solar panel in that direction. One servo motor will move the panel up and down, while the other servo motor will move the panel left and right. Next, we used a Wi-Fi module combined with Favorite as our IoT platform to assist in remotely assessing the solar panels, which also included the use of temperature and humidity sensors.
So there are three total benefits to our product. The first concept is in its active utilization. By incorporating IoT onto our solar panels, users can directly monitor the factors to which maximizes the output electricity production. The second concept is in the fact that it is economical and user-friendly. By introducing a simple user interface platform for consumers to monitor and control the direction of their solar panels, the high initial expenses will soon be offset by the savings on their energy bills. And the final concept is in its potential of implementation. Our design of solar panels possess plenty of room for actual real-life usage for all individuals in all walks of life to have a more hands-on control of their own energy bills.
While there are many distinctive qualities of our project that distinguish it in the market, however, I'll be naming the most important three elements. Firstly, a solar panel system with a single tracker sees an improved productivity of 25 to 35%. However, we utilize a dual axis tracking system, which increased that performance by another 5 to 10%. Secondly, a smart monitoring system allows for a quick response between the customer and the company or the supplier, making it ever more easier to maintain the solar panel. And finally, thanks to the flexibility of our design, it can be used in larger scales, which can be utilized later on in a future project.